Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Lincoln in the Adirondacks here. Today I am going to be hiking Big Crow. We're past foliage season, so the foliage is gone, and now we're in the shoulder season between winter and fall. So trails tend to be pretty empty now. Honestly, they're fairly empty through winter too, because that's a whole different ball game. Big Crow is a small mountain, so it's a fast hike. 1.2 miles to the summit. Oh no, 0.7 miles to the summit. I've never seen this trail this wet before though. You don't have to hike a huge mountain to get big views. October 27th. So this is a short hike, and it is about 5 p.m.-ish. Sun goes down like an hour. We really don't have a whole lot of time here, so I gotta hurry. It's a cool day, although not frigid. I'm actually wearing shorts, and then this Patagonia Nano Puff. Might catch the sunset if I don't spend too much time fidgeting around with this GoPro. A little bit of mud on the trail here. Nothing too bad though. Okay, never mind. Amplifying that a little bit here, aren't we? And it keeps going. This trail is incredibly wet. Wow. I'm sure the higher up we go, it'll get better. We're pretty low right now. But it has rained a ton these last few days. There was actually a nor'easter, and that brought a lot of rain with it. I've never seen this trail this wet before though. It is pretty. There's a lot of streams just running through the trail. I don't know how well the GoPro is going to pick it up, but the water runs all the way back there, comes up here, just flows straight through that. Right, we are through the flat part. Now we start going up. So this is like my third or fourth small hike video I've made. Last week I was actually off work. I hiked Wright Peak with a buddy of mine. It's the 16th tallest mountain in New York. Hiked to Avalanche Pass, which was a great hike. Caught some snow up there, that was awesome. I just haven't had an opportunity where it made sense to shoot a video of me hiking a bigger mountain. You know, this takes time. And my buddy was up from Kentucky. I don't want to waste his trip with me chasing a camera around. See, overall it's not terribly steep. Definitely manageable for the average hiker. So I'm actually going to shed the Nano Puff. One thing that's important to note when hiking in the cold is that you do still get hot. And this isn't even that cold. It can be 0 degrees. You're still gonna sweat. So you wanna wear layers. That way you can shed them like I just did. I don't know if the GoPro is gonna pick it up, but there's an inversion right there. Clouds are lying beneath the mountains. Hopefully it still looks that way when I get up there. I'll use my DSLR to get a good shot of that. That's really cool. Now I do want to tell y'all, November's coming. That means ski season's right around the corner, literally. I ski a lot, and I'm planning to share that on this channel. I primarily ski at Whiteface, but this winter I'm hoping to go to more than a dozen resorts. Vermont, New Hampshire, Gore Mountain in the Adirondacks, Titus Mountain, a couple in the Adirondacks. My goal is to ski 50 days this season. I don't know that I'll be able to share every single ski day with y'all, but my hope is that I can share a lot of them with you. And as always, if y'all show the videos a lot of love, they're getting views, I'll probably share more of them with you, because I'm out there skiing 3-4 times a week. So probably gonna hit up Killington as soon as it's open to the public and not just pass holders. Whew. Look at this. One great thing about the summit of Big Crow is that it's huge. There's a lot of vistas, a couple of them at least, This right here is like the best view we're coming up on. Look at that. Wow. Big Crow is the perfect example of how you don't have to hike a huge mountain to get big views. There's so many great small mountains in the Adirondacks. I know the high peaks are what everyone wants to hike because they're the biggest. And yes, they are truly fantastic and they are unique. But all these little mountains, they have a ton of character. And if you're not getting out there hiking them, you're really missing out. I mean, look at this view, people. This was little effort. Near sunset, after work, I'm out here. I just want to let y'all know any hike I ever go on, I usually post about it, or ski day, or anything I'm doing in the mountains. I post about it on my Instagram and Twitter. They're linked below. Literally, that's all I talk about is the Adirondacks, hiking, skiing, outdoor adventure, that sort of thing. If you're into that, you like what I'm doing here, please hit subscribe, hit like. It is a beautiful sunset, so I'm gonna hop off.